The field of robotics is rapidly evolving, driven by advancements in technology, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. As robots become increasingly sophisticated and capable, they are poised to transform various industries and aspects of daily life. Understanding future trends in robotics is essential for anticipating the impact these technologies will have on society, the economy, and our interactions with machines. One of the most significant trends in robotics is the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. This combination enables robots to learn from their experiences, adapt to new environments, and make decisions based on data. As AI algorithms improve, robots will become more autonomous, capable of performing complex tasks without human intervention. For instance, in manufacturing, AI-powered robots can optimize production processes by analyzing real-time data, identifying inefficiencies, and making adjustments to enhance productivity. This shift towards intelligent automation will lead to increased efficiency and cost savings across various sectors. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are another emerging trend in the robotics landscape. Unlike traditional industrial robots that operate in isolation, cobots are designed to work alongside human workers, enhancing their capabilities and improving workplace safety. These robots can assist with repetitive tasks, heavy lifting, and precision work, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. The growing adoption of cobots in industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare signifies a shift towards more integrated and harmonious human-robot collaboration, ultimately enhancing productivity and job satisfaction. The development of soft robotics is also gaining traction as researchers explore new materials and designs that allow robots to interact safely and effectively with their environments. Soft robots, which are made from flexible materials, can navigate complex terrains and manipulate delicate objects without causing damage. This adaptability makes them ideal for applications in areas such as agriculture, where they can gently harvest crops, and healthcare, where they can assist in rehabilitation and patient care. As the technology behind soft robotics advances, we can expect to see a broader range of applications that leverage their unique capabilities. Autonomous vehicles represent another exciting frontier in robotics. The development of self-driving cars, drones, and delivery robots is transforming transportation and logistics. These vehicles rely on advanced sensors, computer vision, and AI algorithms to navigate and make decisions in real time. As regulatory frameworks evolve and public acceptance grows, autonomous vehicles have the potential to reduce traffic accidents, improve efficiency in transportation systems, and enhance last-mile delivery services. The integration of robotics into transportation will reshape urban planning and mobility, creating smarter and more sustainable cities. Humanoid robots are also making significant strides, with advancements in robotics enabling the creation of machines that closely resemble and mimic human behavior. These robots can engage in social interactions, perform tasks in human environments, and assist in various applications, such as customer service, healthcare, and education. As humanoid robots become more capable and lifelike, they may play an increasingly important role in addressing labor shortages, particularly in sectors that require personal interaction and empathy. The rise of robotics in healthcare is another trend that promises to revolutionize patient care and medical practices. Robotic surgical systems, such as the Da Vinci surgical system, allow for minimally invasive procedures with enhanced precision and control. Additionally, robotic exoskeletons are being developed to assist individuals with mobility impairments, enabling them to regain independence and improve their quality of life. As the healthcare industry continues to embrace robotics, we can expect to see innovations that enhance patient outcomes, streamline workflows, and reduce costs. The Internet of Things, IoT, is also playing a crucial role in shaping the future of robotics. By connecting robots to the internet and enabling them to communicate with other devices, IoT integration allows for improved data sharing and collaboration. This connectivity enhances the capabilities of robots, enabling them to gather real-time information, analyze it, and make informed decisions. For example, in smart factories, robots can communicate with machines, sensors, and supply chain systems to optimize production processes and reduce downtime. The convergence of robotics and IoT will lead to the creation of intelligent systems that can operate autonomously and efficiently. Ethical considerations and societal implications are increasingly important as robotics technology advances. As robots become more integrated into our lives, questions surrounding job displacement, privacy, and the ethical treatment of robots will need to be addressed. Policymakers, researchers, and industry leaders must work together to establish guidelines and regulations that ensure the responsible development and deployment of robotic technologies. A focus on ethical robotics will be essential for fostering public trust and acceptance, enabling the technology to be harnessed for the greater good. In conclusion, the future of robotics is characterized by rapid advancements and transformative potential across various sectors. The integration of artificial intelligence, the rise of collaborative robots, the development of soft robotics, and the emergence of autonomous vehicles are just a few of the trends shaping the landscape. As robotics continues to evolve, it will play an increasingly significant role in enhancing productivity, improving quality of life, and addressing societal challenges. Embracing these trends while considering ethical implications will be crucial for ensuring that robotics technology benefits humanity as a whole. As we move forward, the collaboration between humans and robots will redefine the possibilities of innovation and reshape the future of work and daily life.